Claro, the request na po DJ Palacio tao.
On March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan, they were sailing there at night across the big ocean, and the day so is fully Masawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they had done, because Castilla gidat waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha who would meet him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them, everyone, Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore, and urged Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to come a floods. Mactan Island we could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, bows and spears versus guns and cannons. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried and cried. Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call a doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. That's the end of Magellan in the island of Mactan long time ago, ladies and gentlemen.
Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city that is not from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apare, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we add 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayan Shore, famous of its sugar, coconut and corn. Ay, 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 Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi, ay, 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 Bohol, Samar, Leyte, ay, 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 Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. And now, let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahaw, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao, Solo Oriental, del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Solo, Tawi-Tawi. Ay, 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 Philippines has a great history. Manila is the capital city. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.
Okay, 13 more minutes to go. So everybody stand up. Kada kita dito Hong Kong abo. Ng madama ang agmi-meeting.
Let me take you to the Milky Way on a holiday. Follow me. Why don't you follow me?
Why don't you follow me?
Just in my way, simply kiss me and say, hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give it all your love, all your love.
It's a burning fire, stay, 'cause till the flame grows higher, babe. Don't let them steal your heart, it's easy, girl. This game can last forever, why? We can't live together, try. Don't let them take your love from me. you see, brother Louie, Louie, Louie? I'm in love, set you free. Oh, she's only looking to me. Only love breaks her heart, brother Louie, Louie, Louie. Only love's paradise. Oh, she's only looking to me, brother Louie, Louie, Louie. Oh, she's only looking to me. Oh, let it Louie, she's undercover, brother Louie, Louie, Louie. Oh, do what she's doing, so leave it Louie, 'cause I'm a lover. Stay, 'cause this boy wants to go, but stay. Love's more than he can handle, girl. Oh, come on, stay by me forever, ever. Does he go on pretending that his love's never ending, babe? Don't let him steal your love from me. You're no good, can't you see, brother Louie, Louie, Louie? I'm in love, set you free. Oh, she's only looking to me. Only love breaks her heart, brother Louie, Louie, Louie. Only love's paradise. Oh, she's only looking to me, brother Louie, Louie, Louie. Oh, she's only looking to me. Oh, let it Louie, she's undercover, brother Louie, Louie, Louie. Oh, do what she's doing, so leave it Louie, 'cause I'm a lover.
Okay, karuba, dito na po nga agpatingga iti programa mi. Anak ko luwan adda kami manen. Kaya adda kami tumanin next week apo the same time, the same channel. Dito lang apo 97.7 Sweet Radio, Santiago City. Kata ito yung timano yung June Serial Sigado with John Mark Pastor saying goodbye and God bless everyone. Tumatarte for the last time.
Bullet, bullet.
Okay, for those who texted us, nagkita nagmensahe kata kami, agyaman kami.
Yes.
Apo, iti agtuloy nga support tayo kata kami.
Pagpasensyaan nyo nung hindi minabasa amin.
Well, hami nga kabakalan nga talaga.
Talaga do?
Amumi nga naragsak tayo amin sa tanga Domingo.
Maritong Hattie, that's the thing to do. Get you someone really to pull the wool with you. Woole, woole. Woole, woole. Woole, woole. Woole, woole. Woole, woole.
Goodbye.